Golden Crown. First of all, thank you so much kay Ate Nicole and kay Ate Sam. Especially Ate Sam, I was talking to her like parang everyday ata asking for advices. Ate Nicole, thank you so much also sa advice. And of course, the other Grand Queens of the Philippines as well. Thank you so much for helping me out. And first, Miss Grand is fun. It's really fun. So for the next queen who's gonna join, I want her to be more of herself. Just enjoy the competition, and that's what they're looking for. And during the press con, if you were able to listen to Papa Nawat, he was telling that he wants someone authentic, who's someone who's just having fun. But of course, at the same time, at the back of your mind, you still put in your mind and your heart that you're a beauty queen and you're representing your country, of course. Kasi yung events namin, it's all fun most of the time. As in, like parang every day, parang I would say nga it's a challenge eh. Para makita talaga nila kung sino ka. You're not being calculated or you're not portraying to be someone else or another character or to be this beauty queen, to be this beauty queen. You just have to be your own beauty queen. You have to own yourself. So, para mas makikita nila kung sino ka talaga as a person. So, yun yung, I think, would be the biggest challenge for most as well. Kasi syempre pag nasa competition ka, there's pressure, you always want to be perfect, and you always want to be polished in everything that you do, but sometimes it's the imperfection can lead you to the crown. So for the next girl, I wish you can take home the first golden crown. So if you need help, just message me anytime.